Hey guys, Samsung recently announced its flagship processor Exynos 990, which has a lot of chances of coming next year in Samsung Galaxy S11. This new processor can also be paired with Samsung's newly announced 5G capable Exynos Modem 5123, which means that a 5G variant of Samsung Galaxy S11 is on its way, or maybe the whole Samsung Galaxy S11 range might have 5G support. This year we got to see 4 different variants of Samsung Galaxy S10, where only one of them had 5G compatibility, which was Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Moreover, 5G network is expanding gradually in many countries, so perhaps we can see the support of 5G in all variants of Samsung Galaxy S11. Some of the highlighting features of Exynos 990 are support for 4K UHD display, 120Hz refresh rate display driver, 108 megapixel camera, 8K video recording, and 20% increase in CPU and graphical performance. So let's talk about the specs of Samsung Galaxy S11. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to Samsung Galaxy S11. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. So this next chipset coming in Samsung Galaxy S11 will be the most advanced chipset of Samsung, which is Exynos 990. This processor is a 7nm EUV octa-core chipset that comes in a tri-cluster format, where there are two new custom Exynos M5 cores, which is 20% faster than previous M4 cores. Let me tell you that these M4 cores have been previously used in Exynos 9820. Apart from these M5 cores, we also get two high-performance Cortex A77 cores and 4 Cortex A55 cores. The overall improvement here is 13%. The new Mali G77 MP11 GPU is used for graphical duties. Modern Valhalla architecture has been implemented in this GPU, due to which we will get a 20% boost in both performance and efficiency. With this, if I talk of another major improvement, LPDDR5 RAM will be used here, where previously LPDDR4X RAM was used. This will result in high efficiency. According to the spec sheet of Exynos 990, this processor will support display refresh rate up to 120Hz, but I think that in Samsung Galaxy S11 we will not get 120Hz refresh rate display but only 90Hz refresh rate display. Well, the reason behind this is that Samsung does not use its processor with its full potential. But if 120Hz display comes in Samsung Galaxy S11, then it will be a big surprise for all the users. Samsung Galaxy S11 may also support 4K UHD display, where we will also get support for HDR. Along with this, we will also get UFS 3.0 storage. Exynos 990 also supports 108 megapixel camera, as I already told you, so we can get 108 megapixel camera in Samsung Galaxy S11. Here we can also see the option to record 4K videos up to 120 fps. Along with this, Samsung Galaxy S11 will also come with Samsung's new Exynos Modem 5123, which is a 5G modem. So this means that we will also get 5G support in Samsung Galaxy S11. Now whatever Galaxy series smartphones Samsung launch in India have Exynos processors only, so here I haven't talked about the Galaxy S11 variant with Qualcomm processor. If you want to know about it, then you can tell me that in the comment section. Samsung Galaxy S11 is rumored to launch in February 2020. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave, and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.